Hi, there's a new system that has been developed within the MU website that is going to be used for learning and teaching. So in this video, I just want to show you how we are going to access the learning portal or the teaching portal. It's both for lecturers and the students. Students have their portals and lecturers also their portals. So here the first thing is to go to our website, which is mcclintock.university.com. You can start with www.mcclintockuniversity.com, or just like that, it's going to open. And so you punch in enter, and when the website opens like that, you can see these portals. There's my MU faculty portal, and then my MU student portal. And if you click in these portals, let's say for example you click here, it's going to take you to a page where you're going to log in to your portal. Whether you're a lecturer, then you are going to see the courses that you're supposed to be teaching, or you're going to see an area where it's going to tell you to create a course. For students, when you log in there, you're going to see the courses that you have enrolled, and the assignment, the course assessment stuff. It's going to open all those things. If you have a problem logging in, you click here, and so someone is going to pop up and help you on how to navigate to those pages. In case you haven't seen, maybe you're using a mobile phone. I'm using my laptop here, so maybe you're using a mobile phone. Maybe in case maybe these portals are not appealing, you can go down there, you scroll down and you come here. There is also my MU class, and so you click here, and then let me demonstrate. Let me click and show you what I'm trying to say. So here, when you click that portal, whether you click up there like these portals or you click the down portal, it's gonna take you here. So here is where you're going to do the registration. If you're new, you haven't used it, like for example all of you, you'll have to register an account so that you can have an MU account used to learn or to access course materials and so on and the likes. You're going to put your email, your username, your password. You're going to confirm your password here, and then your first name. You're going to put your last name here, and then you're going to put your phone number and a little bit about yourself, like your biography, and you're going to so after registration, it's going to open a portal where you can now start uh, accessing course materials or doing some learning activities and so on and the like. So for example, I'm going to demonstrate how this is going to happen. I'm going to log in here using okay. So there I've logged in. This is how it's gonna look like when I log in as a teacher. Okay, as a teacher, this is how it's gonna look like when I log in as a teacher. So I can put my picture here if I want to, and it's going to show me the courses and my courses. It's going to show me the course that I have created, the courses that I have published so far, so that students can start attending. Pending courses that I've just drafted but I haven't published them. Total students I have currently, I haven't enrolled any student here. Student completed, and nobody has completed yet. Student in progress, nobody yet. And so and then it's going to also show me course builder. This is where you click if you want to build another course. Let's say, for example, introduction to project management. You're going to click here to build another course if you want to build a course. So this is how it's going to do. If you want to do the quizzes, here you click here. It's going to show you a number of quizzes, finished quizzes, past quizzes, failed quizzes. It's going to show all those things. Order courses, if you want students to order courses or enroll into courses, okay? So the courses will appear here, and you're going to send keys to students. So just send through their emails, and so once the student click the key and enter the details, is going to automatically be enrolled into the course. Number of students will be seen here. If you want more settings, it will be here as well. Now, if you click the course builder here, where you create new courses for your students, it's going to open to you here, the course builder. And so you have your profile here, and then it has these courses, lessons, quizzes, questions, settings. Number of students will appear here. Total is top instructors. If you are doing well, the system, it's going to automatically let you there, so you're going to appear here. And so number of courses to here, there are 2 courses, published none, pending, and student 1, total instructors 1, and therefore you can come here for courses in order building courses. Like for example, I have done one. This is an orientation course. I haven't published it yet because there are a lot of things to do there, but then if I want to edit it like this, I just want to show you how this is going to happen. Okay, so the course has the overview. It has 2 major important areas. One, it has the overview, the course overview. Okay, so this is where you're going to have a course description like here, and then you're going to have a feature image here. You can put your picture or put the picture relevant to the course. And after the overview of the course, you can come to curriculum here. The curriculum, whereby you're going to put the lessons that are going to be covered there, and how are they going to be covered. So you have introduction to, because this is orientation, introduction to MU Online, understanding the MU website and important pages, writing and submitting assignments. And if there is another, you can also add here, and then you update immediately after that. So let's see what's going on inside the introduction here. And so when you do that, it's going to open for you this introduction module, and then these are the lessons that are going to be learned in this lesson here. And so there is the interactive timeline to MU funding and incorporation, founding a video lecture, things like that, group discussion forum, things like those are things I'm going to put information in there. And then there's a quiz, there's exams, and then you go to lesson number 2 as well, or you expand it. There are 6 items it shows you, and therefore you come here and then you show those 6 items, and again you come to the final one. There are 5 items, it shows it, and then you do that as well, and just like that, and then you update whatever things you have changed. Now this is how, if you review, you preview, this is how the course is going to look like. Okay, the course will look like this. So when students open the course, it will look like this. And so it will show that number of students here, and lessons, duration, quizzes, levels, so the student will have to click continue, and it will be showing these progressive bars, and it's going to also indicate here that it's orientation, and the course lecture will be there, the date updated, something like that, things like that. So all those things are there, and then there are features there, and then your these I have to edit the features. You put information there, requirements, the curriculum is here, like the one we created, it's here, introduction, understanding, things like that. And so if you this is closed. If you want to see what is inside, there are 5 items here, so you click here, and so you're going to see what is inside there. So there are quizzes, there are exams there, and then you click here again, there are those things, and then you click here again, and then you see all those things. This is so far how the courses are looking like. Haven't finished. This is the instructor, and here is your details, how the course is going on. You're going to see it here. So this is so far the system that students have to learn more about. I'm going to provide another more detailed a video about how then to navigate into different courses. In this video, I just wanted you to know, to be familiar with the portals and how to register an account and start accessing course materials. Thank you.